Good morning, everyone. We are continuing here in the words of the Meshiv Nefesh, and he brings down a beautiful story that took place between the Vilna Gaon and his main disciple, Rav Chaim Volozhiner. And the story goes as follows. Rav Chaim Volozhiner was once learning the Tana de Bei Elio, and over there, Chishev B'tzvaisav Shel HaKadosh Baruch Hu. It's delineating all of the different midas, the character traits of Hashem. And in this long list of the beautiful, noble midos of Hashem, it says in there the attribute of sameach bechelko, which means he is happy with his lot. Rav Chaim Volozhin didn't understand, what does that mean? Hashem is happy with his lot? Of course he's happy with his lot. He created the entire universe. He made the entire world. He's not lacking a single thing. What does it mean that he's sameach bechelkoi? I understand for myself, if I would like to have $1 million and I only have $20,000, I have to be sameach bechelkoi. I have to be happy with what I have. If I want to learn 100 blot of Gemara and I can only learn 40 blot this year, so I have to be happy with what I have. If my health could be better, so I think I would like to be in better shape, I'd like to have better health, so I'll be happy with what I have. So what does it mean that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is perfect? He's not lacking a single thing. What does it mean that he's happy with what he has? So when Rav Chaim Volozhiner came to the Vilna Gaon, and he explained to him his difficulty with these words of Chazal, Amala Agra, the Vilna Gaon said to him, Ki akavanihi, what Chazal are referring to is Shesameach bi'amay Yisrael, that HaKadosh Baruch Hu rejoices over his nation Yisrael, be'eze ma'ila shehem oimdim, on whatever madrega, whatever level they are standing in. Gam b'doros sharuchnias mismait, even in generations, for example, like ours, where spirituality, our connection to the Torah and mitzvahs and Hashem has gone so far down, l'umois hadoros harishonim, compared to the earlier generations, so there were greater people, there were bigger tzaddikim. HaKadosh Baruch Hu doesn't compare. He doesn't contrast. He looks at every single Yid, every single Jew, in every single generation, and he sees the milas, he sees the good in them. And he is sameach be'ama Yisrael. He rejoices with happiness over his nation, be'eze ma'ila shehem oimdim, whatever level they are standing on. One is a Talmid Chacham, one doesn't wake up for Shachris. One is careful with the laws of Lashon Hara, the other one rattles it off. One has Yiras Shamayim, has beautiful levels of the fear of heaven, and the other one is struggling with that. One of them is a Balamuna who believes that everything that HaKadosh Baruch Hu does for the good, and the other one has questions on Hashem. Whatever Ma'ila Shem Oimdim, whatever level they are standing on, HaKadosh Baruch Hu is Samech Bechelko, is happy with them. Doesn't mean that HaKadosh Baruch Hu doesn't want people to improve. Doesn't mean that he doesn't want us to try harder or to work harder with more determination and more zest to our avodas Hashem. Of course, HaKadosh Baruch Hu wants everybody to become the best, but Hashem is constantly in a world of samech bechelko. He always rejoices over the levels that his children of Klal Yisrael are serving him on. We should be zeichet to see inside of ourselves also the good madregas, the beautiful levels that everybody has. We should not be so critical of others either when we look at somebody else. Even if we think that person is below where they could be, we should say Hashem is happy with them. Kodesh Baruch Hu is not judgmental. Kodesh Baruch Hu is not putting them down. Yes, it's true the person can improve and everybody can make changes in life. Everybody could. But just as Hashem sees the good, and HaKadosh Baruch Hu loves them for who they are, and He appreciates whatever level they are on, and He samech bechelko, He lives in a constant state of always being happy, we should also be happy with ourselves. Keep working hard, but we can be happy with ourselves. We can stop being so critical of others. Let's be happy and see the good in them as well. And then in that zechus, HaKadosh Baruch Hu will continue to see the good that is in each and every one of us. Have a wonderful day.